Hi everyone, this is Knowledge Topper, and in this particular video, we will understand the basic definition of risk, like what is risk in general, and I will be let you guys go through with some important examples that you may witness in your daily life, like about risk. Okay, so let's get into this video. But before moving towards the main, if you didn't subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper yet, please do subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper, as well as like our Facebook page, and do join our Facebook group as well, where you find a lot of good material related to these topics as well as from other courses as well. So let's get into this video. As written on your screen, the term risk refers to the concept that an action or choice can result in a losing situation. The loss could be emotional, the loss could be monetary based, the loss could be otherwise as well. And when the word risk is used, mainly it means that the concept of choice is involved. Or you can say risk is the possibility or chance of loss as well. Now, when we talk about this definition, you may find two words, action or choice is highlighted. Okay, and why I highlighted these two words is mainly due to the fact that the possibility, like it can result in a losing situation. So now we will understand risk in general with the help of examples that I prepare for you guys. Here are some examples, some daily life examples that you may witness about a risk. Okay, first of all, the example is a gambler decides to take all of his winnings from last night and attempt a bet of double or nothing. You may witness risk involved in gambling. So here, if you like to add some more examples, you can comment as well, so people must know about some more examples. Like there are thousands of examples of risk that we may witness in our daily life. So what's the risk in our first example? Here the gambler's choice is basically a risk, like because of that he could lose all of his money, like that he won in one bet. When we talk about our second example, which is an employee knows that the time for him to leave work is contractually at 5 p.m. and leaving early puts his job in trouble. However, the man is motivated to get home early to let out his sick dog. So what's the risk in our second example? Here the risk could be like by leaving early, the man is risking getting caught and facing the consequences of breaking the rules of the organization. In our third example, a man lost his job and is unable to pay his rent. As a result, he makes the choice to steal money from the local convenience store. So what's the risk in this scenario? In doing so, he basically risks like being caught and arrested, because he is involving in a crime if he committed that. The fourth example is a woman gets into her car in the morning and notices that the gas level is low. She chooses to drive to work regardless without stopping at a gas station. So what's the risk involved in this? By making this choice, basically she is risking that she will run out of gas in her car on the way to work. When we talk about the last scenario, which is a woman watches a man kidnap a child. In order to keep him from getting away from the scene of the crime, the woman jumps in front of the car. The risk involved in this is by doing this, she risked her life in order to save the child. So these all are the examples that we may witness in our surroundings or in our daily lives. So this is basically all about risk in general. If you have some more examples to add with, you can add with by commenting below this video and share some more examples, so it will be good for your understanding and for the other people as well. So this is the video for all of you guys. Hope you understand about risk in general. If you like this video, thumbs up. Do subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper, as well as like our Facebook page, and do join our Facebook group as well, where you find a lot of good material related to these topics as well as from other courses as well. So this is the video for all of you guys. Thank you so much everyone. It's time to say bye.